Guys, imagine a lightweight online tool that can rescue blurred photos, remove watermarks, clean up unwanted objects, and even turn portraits into anime. All in your browser, no installs required. Sounds useful, right? I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video we are putting AIEnhancer to the test to see if it truly delivers and whether it can replace messy Photoshop steps for quick fixes. I'll show real before and after examples so you can judge for yourself. I'll walk you step by step through the main features and show how to get great results fast. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump in and see what AIEnhancer can do. Alright friends, so AIEnhancer is a free online tool that uses AI to improve your photos. If you have old family pictures, blurry shots, or images with watermarks, this platform is perfect for you. It's designed to fix problems in just a few clicks. No need to mess with complicated software like Photoshop. One of the best things about AIEnhancer is that it's completely free and doesn't require registration. Mates, it works straight in your browser and can handle both pictures and videos. That's what makes it so easy and convenient. Guys, let's start with a simple photo enhancement. I've got an old picture here. Let's upload it. And immediately we can see the before and after. The original is faded and a bit dull, and after enhancement it looks brighter, sharper, and much more detailed. It's a really nice improvement, and you can preview it and download it in seconds. Next, folks, I want to try the unblur image feature. I upload a slightly blurry photo, and after processing it comes out much clearer. Then let's test the image sharpener. For images that are just a bit soft, it tightens the details and makes everything pop. Both of these features are automatic, so you don't have to tweak anything manually. Super simple. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's move on to watermark remover. I upload a photo that has a watermark, and just like that, it's gone. The AI fills in the background so it blends perfectly. I can download the result and check it out. It looks clean and natural. Another really cool feature is Clean Up Pictures, which lets you remove objects online. I upload a picture and switch to eraser mode. For example, I want to remove a leaf and a small stick from the ground. After hitting Clean Up, both objects disappear. Downloading the final image, you can see it looks seamless, like nothing was there to begin with. And mates, you can remove bigger objects too. I upload another photo and mark everything I want gone. I make sure to include a little extra around each object, so the AI knows what I mean. Then I click Remove this object. And just like that, everything I selected is gone. It works surprisingly well, guys. AIEnhancer also has some fun, creative options. I upload a portrait and try anime style. You can choose manga, anime, or comic. Guys, the AI turns the image into a stylized version while keeping the face recognizable. I try comic style too, and it gives a bold, simplified look that's really eye-catching, perfect for social media or just experimenting with your photos. That's pretty impressive for a free tool. Alright folks, let's wrap it up. AIEnhancer is lightweight but powerful. It gets the job done fast and easily. Whether you want to restore old family photos, sharpen blurry images, remove unwanted objects, even experiment with anime and comic styles. The fact that it can also remove watermarks from video clips is a huge bonus. If you like experimenting with AI or just want a quick, no-fuss way to improve your photos, folks, just search for AIEnhancer Photo Enhance on Google. Give it a try with a few test images and see what it can do. If you're excited to try it out, or if you already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.